Alright guys, this is going to be a quick video. We're going to put some new seats in the car. They're Corbeau seats. It's going to be a real quick video of me putting them in. Just stay tuned. Hope you enjoy the video. Appreciate it, guys. Alright guys, today I was able to get out, drive the car a little bit, test out the seats, see how I like them. One thing that I like about the seats, they sit lower in the car. Me being taller, I'm 6'2", my head was up in the ceilings with the factory seats. The second thing I like is they hold you in. They are great seats, man. They really grip you and they really hug you. So with all that being said, I would recommend these seats to anybody that has maybe a Trans Am, Camaro, or even maybe their Corvette. From what I read on the website, they are made for a Corvette. So if you're a taller guy and you got a Trans Am or any F-body and you want something that sits a little lower in the car, these are the seats you want. I'll leave a link in the description for the seats if you're interested. With that being said, appreciate you guys watching. We'll catch you next time.